Hey, this is Mark with AFT Construction, and we are here at Project Worth the Wait. Let's check out what's going on. So we are standing here in the front entryway. You see we've got some pavers laid down here. We're inside of a little courtyard. We're gonna have gates on the courtyard. We have a little fireplace also in the courtyard, and also a water feature, and then we're going to have a lot of different little plants and bushes inside here too. So let's check it out. So here in the front courtyard we have this little water feature. It's going to have like 3 little fountain heads in here that'll just shoot up 3 little, almost like a little small little water spout. This will get a limestone cap on top with stone on the sides that match the back of the house right there. And on the end of the water fountain, we have this little area that's going to hold the pump that pumps the water. On the other side of the courtyard, you can see we have a fireplace right here. This is actually a gas fireplace, and it's going to be a vent-free fireplace. So no chimney needed for this one. This will get a log set that's going to be cannonballs, actually. So that's going to be a neat little feature. Right here where I'm standing, this is going to be kind of a seating area, and we're actually going to put pea gravel on this area for seating. As we're looking at the fireplace here, so let's say for example you wanted to build one in your backyard. There's a few things to consider. First, you got to check your local city codes to make sure you're allowed to do that. The fireplace is constructed of what they call a masonite construction that is installed in place, and then we actually come in and then do the fire brick. These are fire rated bricks, so they can stand the heat and they won't crack. Certain colors to choose from. The homeowner picked a nice light color for this one. And then we come in and we do a limestone surround for this. We have a nice little limestone hearth and a cap on top, which is, flat. So there's no chimney up there. Like I said previously, this is a vent-free fireplace. So yeah, no smoke for this one. After that, they come in, we do the stone surround on this one. You can pretty much do any finish you want around the fireplace. This stone matches what's on the house. The limestone also matches what's on the window surrounds and the door surrounds. So that just kind of ties everything in together. Thanks for joining us out here on the front courtyard, and stay tuned for more video from #WorthTheWait.